Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, I'll be showing you how and when to harvest broccoli. Let's get to it. So as you can see, the weather did not work with me because it was hot and then cold, hot and cold. So the broccoli split it. What you do want is a full head, like they're supposed to be like this. And then the ones you see in the store, it should actually come like that. That's why I'm going to harvest it now. But I'm show you how to harvest it, and then more will grow. So as you can see here, this is secondary broccoli plants growing over here. Now that one you are going to leave, and then when you're going to harvest the big head, what you want to do is cut it slant. You want to cut it, I'll show you now, like not, if it's like this, you don't cut it straight, you cut it a bit on an angle, like that, so that when water come on here, it will slide down and not perhaps rot the plant. And another reason to harvest your plants, you must also check, is over here. You see the plants are turning yellow, so that means they are ready to flower, and you do not want that to happen. That's why you will harvest it. And as you can see, the leaves you can harvest as well and use it as kale, because they have a similar taste as kale, because this is all brassicas what come from the same plant. So as you can see here is another one of my broccoli plants. So this is more how you want it to be. It must be more compact than loose, because once it starts getting loose like the one that I showed you, then it is going to start to flower in less than like 2 weeks. So you're going to leave these secondary broccoli growing, because they are going to grow individual heads, and then you can harvest that over the next few weeks or months. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. Links will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.